All right guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create AI videos easily. All right, let's get right to it. All right guys, so we're on ChatGPT. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to GPT-4, and GPT-4 you can get access with this through ChatGPT Plus. I want to prime ChatGPT. So now I'm going to go get a prompt that's going to allow ChatGPT to write more like a human. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the first part of this prompt. I'm going to paste it in here. Okay, yes, I understand. So now I'm going to go get the second part of the prompt. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in here. And basically what this prompt is doing is teaching ChatGPT to write with more perplexity and burstiness, which is more human-like versus AI. All right, so finally I'm going to get the third part of this prompt. So instead of rewriting an article, we're saying, using the concepts above, write the following article with a high degree of perplexity and burstiness. And the title is going to be 7 Tips How to Lose Weight Fast for Teenagers at Home. I'm going to also ask it to use it to make it SEO optimized for a few keywords. Make it SEO optimized for the following keywords. And the keywords that I'm putting is going to be how to lose weight fast for teenagers at home and how to lose weight quickly as a teen. And now actually I'm going to change it from article. I'm going to say write a script, write a YouTube script with a high degree of perplexity and burstiness about the title 7 Tips How to Lose Weight Fast for Teenagers at Home. Make it SEO optimized for the following keywords: how to lose weight fast for teenagers at home and how to lose weight quickly as a teen. Let's go, ChatGPT. All right, so it's doing this thing. Let's see what comes back. All right, guys, so I'm gonna let it finish doing this thing, and then I'll be right back when it's done. All right, guys, so now we're back. Let's see what it wrote. Here we are. We have an intro here. Let's copy and let's paste it into our document. And I'm gonna take out all these little brackets. I'm actually going to please rewrite the following title to make it. Yeah, Tris.
Let's go to your mom's.
Engaging.
Let's go to your mom's house.
All right, I'm going to finish this, okay?
Okay.
And we'll see what happens.
Okay. I'm just going to play with this until you're done.
All right, no problem. Please rewrite the following title to make it more engaging. 7 Tips How to Lose Weight Fast for Teenagers at Home. All right, so now that we copied the script, we're going to go over to a tool or platform called Pictory AI. So I'm already logged into Pictory. So I'm on the dashboard, and what we're going to use is script to video. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and proceed, and right here we're going to go ahead and paste our script in there. So let's proceed. Okay, right here now we're going to choose a template, and basically you can see they're all kind of different as far as how they're presented. For this video I'm just going to pick this one, and we're using 16:9 for YouTube because it's longer than a short. If we were doing a short, we would do 9:16. All right, so now it's creating the storyboard, finding the best visuals. All right, so here we are. This is the first step. And as you can see here, the text is taking up most of the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click on this text, and I'm going to make it smaller. Let's try 22. And now you see it's smaller. And I'm just going to, I could actually just drag it down, or I can click these little things here and I can align it. All right, so now that I have it smaller, I'm going to bring it down here. And if you wanted to actually make it a little bit smaller, I can still bring it even smaller. So let's see what it did the first time around, and we can always make some changes. All right, so the first thing that we want to do is we're going to add a voiceover. And here you see it you have a big list of voiceovers. You have some males, females, male, and what you can actually do is just press the little play button. All right, so I'm going to actually just pick Ava. You can take the time to actually go through each one, and I hit apply. It's doing this thing. So let's preview it again. All right, so as you can see, I'm just going to go through this one by one. I went through most of these scenes, changed them up, and let's take a quick look at the final outcome.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. If you're a teenager searching for rapid weight loss strategies, look no further. Today, we've got 7 fantastic...
Not too bad. It didn't take us too long to make this video. The video is 3 minutes and 33 seconds. All right, guys, so that's how to use ChatGPT to create AI videos easily. I'll leave a link below in the description for Pictory. And of course, you know ChatGPT. I was using ChatGPT 4, but you can actually do the same thing in ChatGPT 3.5. All right, so hopefully you like this video. Please hit the like button. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.